So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a cone chart here in the Visme application. So once you have Visme open up on your device, go to the bottom right and press on the blue circle. Then once you're here under project type, go to the middle and press on where it says charts/graphs. Now where it says gouge chart, area charts, funnel charts, etc., I want you to slide this bar a little bit to the right until you come across an option that says cone chart right here. So right in between pyramid charts and radar charts, simply just go ahead and press on cone charts. Now when you press on that, you have the option to either just select a blank template if you want, or what you can do also just sort of browse the templates they have going on here. So if you wanted to select this one, for example, I'll just select a random one about blue cars. It's now going to take a couple seconds to load this into a presentation or into a new project, and once that is done, which you will see very shortly here. There you go. That's how you guys can create a cone chart here in Visme. So what you can do is actually press on it, edit whatever you have to do, add your own information, etc. All things considered, it's a pretty straightforward process. But as always, thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.